Good morning, class. Okay, so a bit short. This lesson will be a bit shorter because we have written a class test. Tomorrow we will mark that class test during our maths lesson. The first part of the maths lesson, we mark that paper and then we will carry on with our lesson from there. Okay? Inshallah. So at this point in our lives, we are busy with exponents. Not so? And we are told we are raising a power to a higher power. So your homework was exercise 2. Is that correct? The even numbers. Okay, so let's run through that quickly. Whoops. One thing at a time I go. No? I'm not so fast. Okay, which page is this on? There we go. I cut that out of a mistake. Right, here we go. Exercise 2, page 30. Oops. So unfreeze. Right, so what's the first answer? Where did we stop? Right, we'll start with not Grace. Go for it. What's your name?
Blessing.
Blessing. Okay. I will get it right. Just not today. Okay, yes.
X squared.
X squared. You all agree with that?
Yes.
Right, next, Ilam. 3x. You all agree with that? No. Try again. 3 goes into 3 once, 3 goes into 6 twice. So it's 2. 5 minus 1 is 4. You get another chance. Blessing, turn around. No, sit properly. You can't hear. Isn't it? Why are you laughing? So you're talking to her, that's why I say you must turn. Yes. 1 over 4, yes. 2 go into 1, 2 go into 8, 4 times. 1 over 4. X to the power 4 y. You all agree with that? X to the power 4 y. What did we say yesterday in the last lesson? It will x over x gives you 1. Y squared over y squared will give you 1. 5x y over 5xy gave you 1. 5x squared, 5xy squared over 5xy squared gave you 1. So y cubed over y cubed is going to give you 1. So the y's are gone. So what is the correct answer here? It's going to be 1 over 4 x to the 4 or x 4 over 4 or 1 over 4 and the x in the numerator. Any one of those are acceptable. You understand where you're going wrong with that? Right, now you get another chance. Why? Because we want you to get the stuff right. Right, go for it. 2a is 2ab. Is that what you want to say? Is she right? No. What is a squared over a squared? Cancel. What's b squared over b squared? Cancel. So the answer is 2. So what's the good news? Get another one. The girl at the back, behind the one that's next in line. Don't ask other people for the answers. They don't check either. Okay? Otherwise you're not learning anything. Relax. She will do all the sums from here on. Right. Now talk to me. Good start, yes? 1 over 2, yes? 6 going to 6 once, 6 going to 12 twice. Cube. A cube, nice, yes? B to the power? 4. Don't help her. Like it. Are you sure? Is she right?
Yes.
So you don't agree with this one?
Yes.
Is it right? Or it can be written as 1 over 2 a cubed b 4c, or it can be written without that 1, which is a cubed b 4c over 2. All of that is acceptable. Okay. Who's next? Yes, next. Go for it. What's your name? Makata. Okay. Makata. Okay. Go for it. 6. Give her a chance. Give her a chance, please. Okay. You will all get your chance. Yes, Michael. Yes, I got the 6 here. 6. Yeah.
B to the power 8.
Yes.
C. And then over 9.
But now isn't there a number that is going to 9 into 6 without remainder? Yes, 3. So 3 goes into 6 twice, 3 goes into 9 thrice. Is the answer 2a cubed b 8c over 3? No. The c's would have cancelled out, my girl. So this answer is not correct. So you'll get another one. If you are given 12a cubed b 10c over 18ab squared c. Okay? We tell ourselves, we check what number goes into the 12 and to 18 without remainder. 6. 6 goes into here twice. 6 goes into here thrice. So it's going to be 2 over 3. Where's the more a's on top? So it's going to be a3 minus 1, which is a squared. Then it's going to be, there's the b and there's a b. So 10 minus 2 is 8. So it will be b8. And the c's are the same. And they cancel each other out. So the answer is 2a cubed b, 2a squared b8 over 3, or can be written as 2 over 3 a squared b8. Both is acceptable. Who got that answer right? What did you get, Michael? Yes. My what? Why you leave it out?
Because I tried and
Tried. How many times you watch the video? There we go. There's your problem. People, if you don't understand what you're supposed to be doing, you watch the video again. There we go. Have you got access to Wi-Fi now?
Yes.
Yeah. There we go. You make status the whole day, TikToks and all that. Alright? But you waste your time. You don't have to watch the videos. Yeah, but if you tried and tried, how long have you tried with the song? Be honest now, how long do you try it? 2 minutes?
I spent almost like 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
No, sir.
Okay, now listen, my response to that, relax your bones, relax. Relax. That previous video is 35 minutes long. You could have just scrolled through and you could have checked where we've done division. It will take you 5 minutes to go through that examples. Then you would have understood that. So you're not being very smart if you're spending 30 minutes on that sum. 30 seconds.
I said the section. Section.
With 30 minutes? Okay. What do you listen? I'm just trying to help you, man. Okay. If you don't want to be helped, it's fine. We move on with our lives, okay? Now we're on page 31. We spoke about raising a power to a higher power. Not so. If we got the power raised to a higher power, what we do? We multiply the power. Not so. So we carry on with our lives, yes? Then we came to the rule. The rule says if you got x to the power m raised to the power n, can be written as x to the m times n, which is x to the mn. Girlfriend, why are you looking outside? Huh? Somebody come to come fit you. Would you like to know somebody? No. Right, so look this side. Okay. Before somebody sees or you watching them and they call you and you go missing and all of those. Right, then we did all the examples, not some. Right. Then you have to do exercise 3 exercise 3 on page 33. Not so? Right. Raising your power, brackets, division. So we said you must only do, or I said you must only do number 1. Not so? Because who is that? Is that you? You okay? So since she's going on like that, I'm going to give her a few sums to do. And that's the rule. Whoever now disrupt me and go on like that and cause the attention on them. Because I like the attention on me. Yeah? If you like the attention, then you should become a teacher. No? You can have 12 children watch you every day with them. No? So, let's do this. So we'll come now back to you, okay? So make sure your sums is right. Right, they got the sum wrong. First one, go for it. 8 to the power 7.
10.
Or 10, okay. How do you get 10? 5 times 2. And 5 times 2 is 10. Absolutely. Next. Girlfriend behind that. 8, 8. Nice. Who got that wrong? What do you have? 6. Nice. Who got 6, 8 to the power 6? You're all wrong. She's right. Well done to her. The reason for that is because, let's look at this here. We've got 2a cubed, 2a squared, raised to the power 3. That means to say that's going to be 2a squared times 2a squared times 2a squared. What is 2 times 2? 4 times 2? 8. A squared times a squared. It's a to the 4. So you multiply and basically the same, you add the powers. So a to the power 4 times a to the power 2. A to the power 6, which makes that absolutely correct. My girl. I spoke to you last time about the study. Okay? Don't do that again. Okay? Please. Okay? Okay? I'm speaking nicely to you, no? Now, not yesterday, but the previous lesson we spoke about the rule. The rule said, if we have a power raised to the higher exponent, what do we do? We multiply the power. I think we wrote the rule down in words also, no? Did we? But that is the rule. Must multiply the exponents. So for the rest of this exercise, I'm going to enforce the rule or remind you of the rule all the time. Okay? Well, there's the rule in words. Let's see here. There we go. There's the rule in words. When raising a power x to the m to a higher power, multiply the powers. Now coming back to that there is exactly the same sum in number 3. Not exactly the same, but the same idea is tested. We did that here in number 3, in number 4, in number 5, 6, 7. All of those sums deals with what we have done. So if you are confused, don't ask Mihlali or whoever. You refer back to the examples. So that at the end of the day, you don't have to blame anybody. Okay? apply that rule here. Let's go with it. If there's no exponent on the 2, there's a 1. So in other words, it's going to be 2, 1 multiplied by 3, a to the exponent, 2 times 3. So that will be 2. What's 1 times 3? 3. A6. So 2 cubed. You have 3 2's being multiplied. It's 2 times 2 times 2. And 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So it's going to be 8 A6. Which makes it good. Okay? Nice, nice. Who's next? The next person? Yes?
So I got 4 to the power of 4, 8 to the power of 6, and y to the power of 4. I don't know.
Now, you're looking at number 4, 1.4. I'm looking at 1.3.
Oh, okay. 9, 8 to the power of 6, b to the power of 9.
Wrong. What should it have been? Yes? Yeah. 27. 8 to the power 6. B to the power 9 is good. How do we get that? Again, if there's no exponent on that 3, what is there?
1.
A 1. So in other words, that would be 3 to the exponent. 1 times 3. A to the exponent. 2 times 3. And B, 3 times 3. So in other words, this will be 3 cubed, not so. So 3 cubed is 3 times 3, which is 9. And 9 times 3 is 27. So that would be 27. A6. B9. Alright, you guys understand? So I'll give you a minute to do number 1.4 and 1.5 quickly. Because I now see most of you made that same mistake there.